Hello! Today we're going to talk about exactly how chronic back pain is created and what has to happen for the pain to stop. So acute pain is real structural pain that's usually created by an external event like hitting your finger with a hammer. Ouch! But chronic pain is created by negative emotions like stress. And stress comes in many forms, and it's usually many layers of stress and anxiety that create back pain, among other chronic conditions. Stress is very tricky because it attacks the body at the subconscious level, while consciously you may not even be aware it's happening. Your stress may have started as childhood trauma, and this sets the foundation for health problems later in life. And then, as life goes on, stress builds, layer by layer, coming from all directions. Some stressors are universal, like traffic, finances, and too much technology. Other stressors are more personal, like going through a divorce or an overly demanding job. No one on earth can escape some kind of stress. However, now your job as a back pain sufferer is to minimize your stress in order to stop the pain. But let's first talk about how the pain is being created from a physiological standpoint. So our body has what's called the autonomic nervous system, or ANS for short. And this system is the focal point in the creation of chronic pain. The ANS regulates our bodies in some very specific ways. The autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is divided into two responses. The first is the sympathetic response, or as it's more commonly known, the fight or flight response. The second is called the parasympathetic response. Let's take a look at both of them. The parasympathetic response is the body's natural calm state. A human being under normal conditions should stay in the parasympathetic state most of the time. The body is only supposed to shift to the sympathetic or fight or flight response during a life-threatening event. Now, during a life-threatening event, there are several physiological changes that happen within the body instantly to help protect the body from injury. The sympathetic response literally helps your body to either fight or flee. Here are some of the physical changes that occur in fight or flight. An increased flow of the stress hormone cortisol, a slowdown of your gastrointestinal system, increased respiration and heart rate, and muscle contraction. This is where back pain comes into play. The end result of constant muscle contraction is inflammation and chronic pain. Now, as I said, under normal circumstances, the body should remain calm 95% of the time, only entering the sympathetic state on rare occasions. That's the way it worked for our ancestors. That's the way it works today for people who don't have chronic pain. But here's the problem. In today's world, back pain sufferers typically have a personality type, cultural conditions, and life stressors that leave the body in a constant state of fight or flight, never turning off, never calming down. And it's all happening at a subconscious level. It's like a car with its engine on and its transmission in park, but with the gas pedal pressed to the floor. What's the fix? So the fix for back pain sufferers is actually quite simple: to shut off the fight or flight response to stop the negative physiological effects it has on the body. Easier said than done, I know. But if you're able to accomplish this, your back pain will stop. To shut down a ramped up fight or flight response, all you have to do is three things. Number one, change your belief about the origin of your back pain from structural to emotional. Number two, reduce the amount of stress in your life. And number three, increase your physicality to better handle the stress. That's it. Now, for more guidance, pick up our free workshop with the 3 simple steps for healing stress-based back pain. Just click on the link below for calmyourback.com. And if you benefited from this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to stay connected to our channel. I'm Laura Thornton. Thanks for watching.